In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a date picker in Google Sheets. This is a handy feature when you need to ensure that dates are entered correctly in your spreadsheet, making tracking time-sensitive data more efficient and error-proof. So let's dive in. First things first, open up your Google Sheets document. You can do this by navigating to Google Sheets through your web browser and selecting the file you want to work with. If you don't have one already, simply start a new sheet. Once you have your sheet open, the next step is to highlight the range of cells where you want to apply the calendar picker. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the cells you want to select. This step is crucial because it tells Google Sheets where you need the date validation to be applied. After highlighting your desired cells, direct your attention to the top of your screen where the menu list is located. Click on Data. This will open up a menu of options that you can perform with your data. From the drop-down options, select Data Validation. This is the feature that allows you to set rules about what data can be entered in a particular cell or range of cells. Once you're in the data validation window, you'll see various settings you can adjust. Click on the Add Rule button. This action will enable you to create a new criteria rule specifically for date entries. You'll notice a drop-down list under Criteria. Click on this list and select Is Valid Date. This step will set up the basic rule that the input data must be a valid date, but we're not done yet. You also want to ensure that any incorrect data entry is met with a response. To do this, scroll down within the data validation window and look for the option to reject the input. Selecting this ensures that any entry that does not conform to a valid date is automatically rejected, thereby maintaining the data integrity of your spreadsheet. With these settings in place, click on Done to finalize the process. This locks your data validation rules for the selected range. To see it in action, double-click one of the cells in the range where your data validation rule now governs. You should see a calendar pop up, offering an easy date selection experience. Choose a date from the calendar and you're all set. If you have additional items in your list, simply repeat the same procedure for those cells. And there you have it. A fully functional date picker to streamline data entry in your Google Sheets, ensuring that all date entries are valid and consistent. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting!